A very good evening to all the Vivites back in India. A very good morning to all the Vivites who are watching this Facebook broadcast live from the United States of America, my dear friends. Welcome you all to this wonderful Ask the Doctor Facebook Live series, which is broadcasted to you live every day on the Indus Viva or Vibrant Viva Facebook page, as well as the Indus Viva INC Facebook page on every Friday at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, my dear friends. So I welcome you all to this wonderful Facebook Live series on this exclusive product Ayurveda for the United States of America. Well, my dear friends, this is actually the 8th Ayurveda Facebook Live series which is going online now. So I welcome you all again. So a very good evening to all the Indian Vivites who are watching from India. A very good morning to all the American Vivites who are watching from the United States of America, my dear friends. So a very good evening again. So as I've been talking about this wonderful product Ayurveda, so I also want to give you some insights on what Ayurveda is exactly about. The second thing is what is the importance of liver health and immunity. See, as you all know that our Indus Viva products are called as frontline immune booster products. They are all called as frontline immune booster products. Ayurveda in US is also considered to be the frontline immune booster product, my dear friends. So, I would like to talk about what this Ayurveda is all about. See, I would like to repeat some of the points for the benefit of the people who are watching this from the US as well as from India as well. Suppose if you have your prospects or network back in the US, you may please convey them this video or even try to host watch parties as well as display this on other social media platforms as well, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So please do like our Indus Viva INC page. If someone has not liked it, please do like it first, so that you can watch me live every Friday night at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, which will be around about 11:30 a.m. in the morning in the United States of America. Well, my dear friends, as you all know that Ayurveda is a product which is based on the concept of advanced Ayurveda. So in fact, advanced Ayurveda is a gift of India and Indus Viva to the whole world actually. This is what advanced Ayurveda is all about. See, as the name indicates, advanced Ayurveda. Everybody knows that Ayurveda is very traditional in nature. At the same point of time, when you modernize or validate the Ayurvedic principles with modern scientific technologies or methodologies, you get something called as advanced Ayurveda. So in fact, Ayurveda is a wonderful product which is based on advanced Ayurveda, where the traditional Ayurvedic leads will be validated by modern science and technology. This is what is exactly called as advanced Ayurveda, my dear friends. So that is the reason why this Ayurveda is a gift of Indus Viva to the whole world, in specific the United States of America right now. So advanced Ayurveda is actually based on 4 important things. The first thing is, we normally take the leads or the secrets from the textbooks of Ayurveda, which are dating back to 5,000 years old. When we get these secrets, what we do is, we try to validate them either by microbiology, the second thing is analytical chemistry, and the third thing is instrumentation. This is what exactly the advanced Ayurveda is all about. So these are the 4 important ways in which Ayurveda is validated by modern science and technology, and that is the reason why advanced Ayurveda plays a very important role in the formulation development of this wonderful product called as Ayurveda, my dear friends. So as you all know that Ayurveda is a unique product. In fact, it's a very unique product which is based on the traditional Ayurvedic principles, which is propelled by modern science and technology. In fact, this is a 100% natural formulation which is based on advanced Ayurveda. Again, it's a combination of 4 holistic Ayurvedic formulations along with the goodness of antioxidant fruits, including that of acai berry. So this is how Ayurveda is actually formulated, my dear friends. So it is a combination of 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations along with the richness of acai berry, which is also one of the ingredients which is used in the product. So it has the goodness of antioxidant fruits. Along with that, it also has a composition of 4 traditional Ayurvedic forms. So that's what exactly makes Ayurveda. Well, Ayurveda contains 50 herbal ingredients from the 4 Ayurvedic formulations. This is also the other thing that the people have to know. See, 4 Ayurvedic formulations in the sense it contains 50 herbs in this. That is the reason why Ayurveda is a product which is made out of polyherbal formulation along with the richness of antioxidant fruits. So it is a combination of these two elements which actually make up this wonderful product called as Ayurveda, my dear friends. So going ahead, as you all know that Ayurveda is a wonderful product which is having several health benefits. We call this as a holistic health benefit product, which is in other words called as a dietary supplement also. Holistic health benefits indicates it has health benefits from the head till the toe. But as per the traditional claims in Ayurveda, based on the 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations, there are 4 important benefits that the product actually exerts on the human body. The first benefit is it supports the best of the best brain health, it supports your gut health, it supports your liver health, it also supports your heart health, my dear friends. These are the 4 important benefits that the Ayurveda is actually offering you all. Well, my dear friends, as a part of the routine, I would like to tell you all that none of these benefits or claims that I am trying to make right now in front of you are validated by the US FDA. Because US FDA will not be validating the traditional claims. In fact, our products are classified as traditional health products in the United States of America. Traditional health products mainly include Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathy, Siddha medicine, Korean medicine, traditional Chinese medicine and so on. So US FDA is not responsible for validating the traditional claims. In fact, US FDA validates only those claims which are beyond the scope of these traditional claims. But the US FDA is always worried about 2 important things in which we have to be compliant. The first and the foremost thing is the label of the product has to be vetted by the US FDA, which is 100% vetted by the US FDA in our case. The second thing is the manufacturing facility of Ayurveda has to be registered with the US FDA. See, both of these things have been covered, have been compliant so far as Ayurveda is concerned, so you don't have to worry about the FDA problems so far as Ayurveda is concerned, my dear friends. So, as I told you, today I will be speaking about the other important concept called as liver health and immunity. So liver health is one of the important benefits where one of the ingredients, one of the formulation which is present in Ayurveda is actually exerting on the human body. Suppose if you happen to look at the label of Ayurveda, you normally come across this wonderful ingredient called as Panchanimba Churnam, which is written on the back of the pack. This wonderful ingredient called as Panchanimba Churnam, which contains the neem leaves. I hope everybody knows about what neem is all about. Neem. Botanically, neem is identified as Azadirachta indica. Neem leaves are actually used as one of the major ingredients in this particular formulation. Well, as I've told you previously as well, I want to repeat this point again. Ayurveda is a product which is based on the principles of similarities. The principles of similarities are those in which whatever is seen in the external world is also seen inside the human body. For example, if there is water in the external world, you have water inside the human body. Similarly, if you have air in the external world, the air is also present inside the human body. That is the reason why even the parts of the plant, for example, the leaves or the fruit, all these things resemble our organs inside the human body. This is what is exactly called as the principles of similarities. Suppose if you happen to look at the leaf of the neem, which is a mature leaf of the neem, it resembles the shape of your liver. That is the reason why neem is a very important ingredient in maintaining and supporting your liver health. So, Ayurveda is a very important product for improving and supporting your liver health, my dear friends. Why I am telling you this point is, your liver is one of the largest organs of the human body. Liver, in fact, is called as your dustbin actually. Whatever you ingest inside your body will ultimately be converted into trash inside your liver. So liver is an organ where the enzymes will act on your food materials rigorously and vigorously and ultimately break them into molecules. This is the place where your blood is also purified and circulated across the body. Suppose if your liver is detoxified, automatically the immunity of your body will improve. This is what is exactly called as liver health and immunity. Suppose if I am calling this Ayurveda as an immune booster supplement, there are various reasons for it. Liver health is one of the main reasons. I think last week I was talking about the gut health. That is also one of the major reasons for increasing the immunity inside your bodies. Similarly, liver health also plays a very important role in improving your immunity. So whenever your liver is detoxified, automatically your immune system is triggered, your immunity enhances, because of which the resistance of your body also increases, so that your body can fight against all kinds of dreadful diseases. This is what exactly happens when your liver is detoxified, my dear friends. So going ahead, so liver health, as I told you, liver is one of the important organs in the body where the toxins are usually found in the form of ammonia. There are various other toxins which is ingested inside the body in the form of your food or the diet. So whenever these food articles or the diet what we are ingesting is detoxified and the molecules are broken down, automatically your liver becomes healthy. So whenever your liver becomes healthy, your blood becomes purified. Whenever you have a purified blood in your body circulating inside your body, automatically it will lead to a lot of good things in your body. So in fact, the good health benefits are provided whenever liver health is maintained, my dear friends. So your amazing liver, you have a wonderful liver with you. I hope everybody has a liver. So whenever you have a liver, it is your duty to protect it actually. Whenever you don't protect your liver, in fact, you are inviting a lot of diseases. So how do you protect your liver? That is one of the important things. See, liver in fact is one of the solid organs inside the body. It is a solid organ which measures 8 inches width and 6.5 inches long and 4.5 inches thick. This is how a liver measures. Well, but we are killing our liver by the ingestion of various food items which are rich with cholesterol, which are rich with proteins, which are mainly rich with starch and carbohydrates. See, all these things are okay, but one important thing, especially in the United States of America, if you see, the processed fat which is used in various food commodities are entering in your liver as a bad fat. In fact, that is a condition, we call it as a fatty liver. That is the reason why most of the patients, most of the people, in fact, are suffering from this fatty liver disease, and it is quite important to take care of your liver in such conditions. So it might be a grade 1 fatty liver. Suppose if you don't treat it, it can reach to a grade 2 fatty liver, and so on and so forth. It is all difficult for us to treat these conditions later on once you develop this condition. This is a very important thing. So that is the reason why your liver health plays a very important role so far as your immunity is concerned, my dear friends. So suppose if your liver has some problems, suppose if your liver is not detoxified, what will exactly happen? See, the first thing that happens is headache, you will have dark urine, you will have loss of appetite, chronic constipation, you will have diarrhea or loose stools, you will have bruising or the burning sensation, anxiety and depression. Psychological imbalances can also happen. It also causes a lot of hormonal imbalance. It also has a lot of fatigue. It causes chemical sensitiveness, sinus and allergies inside the body. This also happens whenever your liver is suffering, my dear friends. That is the reason why you have to detoxify your liver in order to detoxify your whole body. This is how exactly the liver health has to be maintained. Well, the American Liver Foundation in the month of May 2020, American Liver Foundation in the month of 2020 released an article which says that COVID-19, where the virus is actually infecting your lungs as well as the respiratory tract, is one part of it. The second important thing is liver is also the other organ which is infected whenever the virus is actually infecting your body. See, there are two important things that people have to know here. The primary stage of the infection is always towards your respiratory system, but the secondary conditions can involve your vital organs like your liver. So whenever your liver is disturbed, automatically it leads to a lot of various problems in your body, various diseases in your body. So that is the reason why, as a preventive supplement, as a preventive dietary supplement, you have to consume Ayurveda, so that it gives you wonderful results so far as maintaining your liver health is concerned, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to everyone. So again, one of the British universities in the United Kingdom, they also have identified COVID-19 patients. Especially they are now telling that people with COVID-19, especially the aged population, the older ages population, their liver is drastically affected, because of which the secondary conditions in the body is also deteriorating day by day. So that is the main reason why you need to take care of your liver health in order to take care of your whole body, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So the next important thing what I want to tell you here is, as I was talking about this wonderful ingredient Panchanimba Churnam, which is present in Ayurveda. Suppose if someone is having an Ayurveda bottle with you in the US, you can definitely have a look at the label where we have mentioned this wonderful ingredient called as Panchanimba Churnam, which contains the neem, the leaves of the neem. As you know, neem is a very important ingredient to treat your oral hygiene as well as the gastric ulcers. It improves your blood circulation. It helps to cure the skin diseases. It controls diabetes. It cures respiratory problems like asthma. It is also having a good antiviral and antibacterial properties as well. Well, my dear friends, again I want to repeat this statement again. So whenever I am speaking about the benefits of an ingredient, again I am trying to tell you, the US FDA will not validate these claims, as these are traditional claims. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, my dear friends, what is there inside this neem which is very important for producing or supporting liver health? There are three important components in neem. They are identified as nimbin, nimbidin and azadirachtin. These are the three important components which are present in the neem leaves, which are responsible for improving the liver health. Ultimately, it improves your immunity as well as resistance, so that the body can have a very good resistance, so that it can fight against all kinds of dreadful diseases in the future, my dear friends. So Panchanimba Churnam, as I told you, Panchanimba Churnam is a wonderful ingredient which is mentioned in the Ayurvedic textbooks, which is mainly used for maintaining or improving or supporting your wonderful liver health. In fact, Panchanimba Churnam contains not one ingredient, it contains around 20 ingredients, my dear friends. It has 20 ingredients. So that is the reason why such composite Ayurvedic formulations is always important for maintaining our liver health. This is how the liver health is maintained, my dear friends. So going ahead, not only the traditional part of it, even the modern pharmacology as well as modern researches and scientific articles also talk a lot about this neem. The neem leaves as well as different parts of the neem are having a wonderful hepatoprotective activity. We call this as hepatoprotective activity or the liver protective activity. A lot of clinical trials and animal trials have happened on this wonderful ingredient called as neem, where it has proven that the safety of the liver can be maintained or supported by the use of this wonderful ingredient neem. And all these things have in fact formed the basis for us to use this wonderful ingredient called as Panchanimba Churnam, which contains the neem leaves, in our wonderful product Ayurveda, my dear friends. I hope my points are clear to you. So this is a reason why you need to promote this product with reference to liver health as well as immunity. Again, I want to share this information with you. Again, I want to repeat this point with you, stating that the health benefits, whatever I've quoted right now, is all based on the traditional Ayurvedic claims. In fact, we call ourselves as Advanced Ayurveda, where we validate the traditional Ayurveda with modern scientific methodologies. In fact, the US as well as the Western world is now accepting the traditional Ayurveda, which is validated by modern science and technology, so that they have wonderful belief in our system of medicine as well as in our product as well, my dear friends. I hope you have got the point what I'm trying to say. So as you all know that Ayurveda is a wonderful product. It is called as a holistic health supplement or a dietary supplement. Holistic health supplement in the sense it maintains the health in a healthy person as well as it prevents the forthcoming disease. It is not a replacement for mainstream medicine. It can be taken along with other medications also, because It is an alternative product ultimately, and it can be safely used with other medications as well, and it has least to no side effects. So in fact, the side effects part of it, as I said you, see what exactly happens when you are consuming a lot of antioxidants or wellness products for that matter. It is always important to know that the detoxification is the first process which happens inside the human body whenever you consume such supplements. So normally whenever you are consuming such supplements, the detoxification will result in gastric irritation sometimes, it has burning urine sometimes, it has loose stools sometimes. So all these are the features of detoxification. Whenever the detoxification is happening inside the body, such features are going to happen which are good in nature. You don't have to worry about that something bad is happening to my body. Absolutely not. These are some of the good signs in which the poisons are actually eliminated out of your bodies, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So that is the reason why if someone is actually facing this after the consumption of the product, please think in these lines as whatever I am telling you right now. It is all the detoxification processes which are happening inside the body. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, my dear friends. So as you all know that Ayurveda has to be consumed at a dose of 30 ml, which is around 1 ounce, 1 fluid ounce in the morning, which is half an hour before your breakfast, and 1 fluid ounce in the night, half an hour before your dinner. That is the main reason why 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, Ayurveda has to be used. It is similar on the lines of iPulse as well, my dear friends. So Ayurveda can be consumed safely for longer duration without worrying much about the side effects. It can be consumed by all the age groups from pediatric to geriatric population, so without worrying much about the adverse effects as well, my dear friends. So as a part of the routine, I would also like to tell you that the Ayurveda is also a kind of a wellness supplement. A wellness supplement, in fact, normally when we talk about the wellness supplements, one thing is important. The absorption of the wellness supplements always takes time in the body. It is always important for you to consume the product at least for a minimum period of 3 months or 90 days for better absorption inside the body. Similarly, the health benefits of the product will also be enhanced inside the bodies, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So with this, I would like to tell you all that let us all make this world a wellness world, and let us all try to remove the concept of illness from the world by promoting wellness through the dietary supplement products like Ayurveda. I hope the points are clear today. So as I have told you, I have covered 2 important points: liver health and immunity. The second important thing is the Panchanimba Churnam or the neem, which forms a very integral part of this wonderful formulation Ayurveda. So these are the 2 important points. If you are seeing from the United States of America, please try to promote these 2 points so that people get to know the importance of the neem leaves as well as their liver health and ultimately its relationship with the immunity as well, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So thank you so much for your patient watching. So this is a question answer time. I have some of the questions to answer here. So the first question that I am seeing here. So today my colleague Ms. Priyanka has sent me the questions. So some of the questions that I am seeing here is, the first question is from Mr. Dandapani, which says that is Ayurveda helpful to support infertility problems? Well, my dear friends, so I would like to tell you that in the United States of America, the claims or the benefits like infertility cannot be made. So that's what I was trying to tell you, that any of the traditional claims which are made in the product can be used for your promotional purposes, but a claim like infertility cannot be made as per the US FDA. So these are the claims which absolutely cannot be made, and we have not positioned the product for infertility as well. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question is from Mr. Milind. Mr. Milind is asking, is Ayurveda available in India or not? So Ayurveda is not available in India as of now. It is only positioned for the United States of America. So the next question is also from Mr. Milind. What is the meaning of Arbuda which is mentioned in Ayurveda? So I would like to tell you that the concept of Arbuda is actually deleted out of this Ayurveda context right now. I hope it is not there in the website as well. It is not there in the website as well. Arbuda is actually a concept which is mentioned in the traditional Ayurveda, which is again a part of the claims or the benefits. So we are not using this Arbuda claim anymore in the concept of Ayurveda or in the promotion of Ayurveda as well, my dear friends. So we are not using this concept of Arbuda anymore. So you don't have to worry about this concept of Arbuda. So the next question that I am seeing from Mr. Milind. Thanks, Mr. Milind, for posing some of the good questions for us. Is Ayurveda available in the US? But what about iCoffee? Yes, Ayurveda is available in the US, but the next product which we will be launching in the US will be iCoffee Creamer. It is not iCoffee Black, it is iCoffee Creamer will be launched in the United States of America, and that is the reason why it is appearing in our websites as well. Well, we will definitely let you know once the product is going to be launched in the US, especially the iCoffee Creamer. We will definitely let you know on our INC Facebook page, my dear friends. So please everyone can have a look at the Indus Viva INC Facebook page for the updates on the product launches as well. Well, my dear Vivites who are watching from the United States of America, I would also like to tell you that we are trying to educate the US Vivites by posting some of the interactives on the Facebook page of INC, Indus Viva INC, on a daily basis. So you can actually see the concept of Ayurveda being promoted on the Indus Viva INC website as well in the form of interactives. Interactives in the sense these are small posts which are actually posted on the Facebook, where we are talking about what Ayurveda is, what are the elements of Ayurveda, how do we validate traditional Ayurveda, what is advanced Ayurveda. All such things will appear in the form of posters which will be posted on a daily basis on the Indus Viva INC Facebook page. So please do download those things and you can circulate this amongst your prospects in the United States of America who can be benefited by seeing these posts as well, my dear friends. So please do utilize them regularly. So with this, I would like to end my Facebook Live on this wonderful product Ayurveda. The next Friday, I will be back again with another important concept of Ayurveda for the better education on this wonderful product for all the US Vivites. Thank you so much, all the Indian Vivites who are watching from India. A very good night. For all the American Vivites who watched me live, a very good day ahead, and I wish you a very great weekend ahead as well. Thank you so much and a very good evening. Thanks a lot. Bye.